So we just had a nice 42er, dead on, but I'm going to put it back because I want him bigger than that to take to the table. So here you go, matey. And he just spat a free sandeel out. Happy days. That's what they're going for.
Little sandals, yeah.
Nice white.
That's why I put this tiny little skerries on, because it's like dinky.
Yeah. We're still marking, aren't we?
Yeah, I just got tagged. Lovely. And again. Yep, I'm in straight away.
That's a nice fish by the look of it.
Nodding away. Good lad.
Let me know if
No,
you need
it's tiny.
Tiny?
Yeah, it's come off.
Has anyone got a different lure I can have?
Yeah,
He's a nice size.
He's tiny.
What's that?
Tiny
Yeah, or me.
schoolie.
No, I'm not.
Where's your lures?
In my box.
There we go, look.
Or me.
Nice little schoolie. Happy
He's
days.
not a biggie. He's a little one.
This lures.
But he retook that. Look at that, he's coming in nice. I reckon this is about 25 to 28. Yeah. Calm yourself. And now I'm going to place my hand on you. Please.
Nice little bar of silver.
Here you go. He is. I was 29. Nice little bass. 29 he was.
Lovely. Right, let's get
That
this
42
skerries
one I
on.
would like to keep, but
Mate,
you know what happens, you get to shore and you don't want to take anything that's under. Now my luck they go like it's 41 and a half or something.
yeah,
That's £50 million fine.
we don't want that.
I mean, look.
That's a good one.
Oh, that's a nice one, Rich.
That's a nice one, Rich. Go on, pull him in. I reckon we should do a troll up and down. Anything bigger than that, 4p up, that's it. So,
Right, Rich? Yeah. Are you just going to milk it? Or
you're going to pull that in.
I am pulling it in.
do you reckon it's quite a nice fish?
It feels well heavy.
It feels well heavy.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that's heavy.
Yeah? Do you want a net?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Yankee.
Right, take your time,
I've got a net.
Yeah. It's in. Where's he gone? Up tight.
Ooh.
Oh.
Might be a keeper, definitely. I think it's a keeper, Rich. I'll go to you. Don't worry about lifting your rod out. I'll go
That's
to
it.
you.
I've got to have a photo.
That's not
For
bad.
my sister.
I think that's a keeper.
Definitely.
Should be, huh?
That's I'm
Yeah, he
going to
looks
call
like a
that
nice fish. They're all round us. I see them
48.
jumping up.
48.
How big they are?
48 to 50.
Can I get a photo, lad?
Right,
for
let's just get it out first, Rich. Yeah. Don't worry about. You'll keep always going on about photos. Don't worry about
Yeah,
your
because,
photos. Yeah, we'll get you one. This is the trouble.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Ready this big knife? Little one.
Little one. Just on the trough.
Oh, look, they're jumping out of the water here. It's literally on the surface. Diggy, start reeling yours in. Stick it out. Nice, nice.
Not keep.
Not a big, but it's nice.
Shake him off. Shake him off. See you, mate. Right. Let me the old back.
Oh, Jesus.
Right, go on, forward, son.
Huh?
Forwards.
Well, this is where I want to come to go just over and drift through these.
Control, see what happens.
Do you want me to troll?
Yeah, go on.
Alright, the line's out.
Yeah, go on.
I found the best speed's about 2.5 to 3 knots.
Oh, where are we going?
Colin,
Oh, you're going back that way.
well, we've got where the birds are.
Got lines.
Anything on anything?
Yeah, I'm in.
Well, really? Oh, I'm in. I think. Oh, I knew it was like literally a metre away.
This is trouble. No, no idea. No, it's not. Get him out of the way.
On the surface.
You in, Rick?
Don't forget it's like 12 metres, yeah?
Yeah. Might have to drop it down. Said, net time? That's it. With the net. Oh, wait. No, it's alright.
It's not size.
Yeah, it's like not keeping size on it. Well done, boss.
Annihilate them.
What, flat? The old two pipe.
These lures are good.
Were you turning again, was that?
No, I was just going straight. Well, trying to, but I'm just going over to where the birds are. They go down.
Where's the birds in front of us?
Over there. So I'm going to try and do a loop round the buoys. Do you know what I mean? He's not that big.
Not big one?
No.
On the troll again, was it?
On the trolley. There we go for the viewers at home. Oh, Jesus.
The fish are feeding.
No, they're jumping out of the water right here.
Yeah. There's got to be some monsters in there. There has to be. We've seen that big one on the surface, haven't we?
The birds in front of us, look. They're literally jumping out of the water.
We're marking a lot.
I mean, oh, he's a big.
Yeah?
He's a nice fighter. Look at him on the surface.
Yeah, I'll unclip you.
I don't think he's huge, but he's a fair size.
There he is at the top. Yeah, he's alright.
He's not a keeper, but
Not a keeper, no, that's for sure. Bass to the boat, another one. Well, we've got 2 keepers in the bucket, which is good. We just need a couple more, really. You right there?
yeah, I'm just waiting for them. They kind of do this to me. They get me in false pretenses. Oh, he's had a wee.
He's weeing all over the place. There he is, look. Beautiful fish. Sharp as hell. Sharp there on the gill plate, all the spines across the back. They are, but beautiful. Beautiful fish. Latest bud. Click you back in.
All the birds over there was up.
Yeah, there goes.
Yeah, they're
Oh look, one just jumped there.
they are jumping, but there's some big ones. There's got to be some monsters in here. Has to be. But they're probably going to be where all them are feeding. Oh, just had a cat. Had another cat. Take it. I'm not bringing it past the boat. Look him. Look at the big ones. The big ones just chasing that up. Literally just followed that up.
Yeah. Sure it's not water magnification.
Nope.
Oh, bloody nice.
Listen to the sound out.
Look at them. They're lovely, but they're not going for it. Maybe because my lure looks like a disabled one. Look. I wouldn't want to eat that.
No. They're going to see it, but he's not going to put up a fight, is he?
But they're literally just there. I'm going to knock the engine off. Someone. Oh no, there's big shit. Are we out of the channel? Yeah, we are out of the channel. We're marking. Oh shit! Look at that one on the sounder.
Cool, yeah.
Big yellow mark. Right, keep getting them out.
One's going to drop it down.
Yeah, just do that. I had a feeling tonight was going to be a big night. I was in Swanage and the sea gods spoke to me through the water as they went. Something like that.
That'd be worse. Bass. ASMR bass.
And then they went sizable for the table.
We've got 2.
Yeah, you have one. That's yours.
She'd be well happy her indoors.
And Chicky's got his.
The only reason she let me out.
You want to fry it?
Huh?
Is that what you do? Fry it?
Well, do what you want, bake it, fry it.
Yeah, I filleted it off. All I will say is scale it on the boat, don't scale it at home.
Well, I'm going to get us into the fish because it's gone quiet, isn't it?
Yeah. Where's all the birds at?
Well, it's saying that there's loads down there, but I don't know if it's bass or mackerel. I might put some feathers on.
Where's that little slow jig of mine? Let me chuck him on a sec. Oh, sorry.
Oh, there's bass there though. They're following it up, but not going for it.
It's that little speed jig. Yeah.
There's a lot of fish down there.
How deep away?
5-1. Saturday night, that's who it is. Okay, I reckon it's mackerel. Jesus. Right then, Padiki. Where's me feathers then? You want to see me feathers?
Harbor control, Buffalo. Do you have the weather condition, please? Sunny.
Buffalo Harbour Control, wind is now easterly, between 3 and 8 knots. Over.
Yes, I'll copy 3 to 8 on the east. Thank you.
Thank you.
Harbour Control, set and scene, Sparboy outbound.
What does that do?
This is going to be good for the big bass when the big ship goes through. Kick up everything. And look hard on the boat. That's what they do. Because that's the ones that used to run in London. City cruises. You know what I mean? It was called the Elton.
Where's all the birds gone? They're gone.
They're out there. Birds? They're in front, sorry. Look.
Oh, we need to get up there.
Uh-huh.
I ain't gonna cast it. Really want to fish on this.
On what?
On this little.
I thought you had one.
Not on this.
What's that? Is that Rip's one?
No, it's my one. Rips is in there.
Which what? Oh, the jig.
Yeah, that's my jig that I caught the pollock on in
Did
in
Rip
that-
have pollock today?
Yeah, he did. He had a little pollock in the harbour. The entrance. That way. Right.
Going to where the fish are you?
Right, we're in Rich. Stay now.